Hello again everyone. This video tutorial is about the basics of trigonometry, which is also called trig. So trigonometry just involves the measurements of lengths and angles of triangles. A very special case of the triangle is right angled triangle, or simply we call it right triangle. A right triangle is a triangle whose one of the angle is 90 degrees, as you can see in this figure. So this angle is 90 degrees. So this triangle has three sides, and by the way, this is the angle theta. And theta is a Greek letter, just keep in your mind. So we have three legs over here. The longest leg is called hypotenuse. The angle theta is right up here. The side that is connected to that angle is called adjacent, and the opposite leg or the side is called opposite. Now the next thing that is worth mentioning is the Pythagorean theorem. The Pythagorean theorem is closely related to any right triangle. So Pythagorean theorem is nothing more than a squared plus b squared equal to c squared, where c is the longest leg of any right triangle. So in this very first example, I will show you how you can find any unknown side of a right triangle. So in this example, we have been given side A is 12 units, side B is 5, and we don't know side C. So we're going to figure out side C using the Pythagorean theorem, which is simply this one: a squared plus b squared equal to what? C squared. I want you to just plug it in. A is what? 12. So just put down 12 squared plus b is what? 5 squared equal to c squared. So 12 squared is 144 plus 5 squared is 25 equal to c squared. So when you add them up, it's going to be a 169 equal to c squared. So now we want to get rid of this square. How you can undo this square? By taking the square root. So I'm going to take care of the square root on both sides. I took care of the square root of this side, and I took care of the square root on this side. So what happened, this square and square root, they undo each other. So c turns out to be how much? The square root of 169 is 13. So our unknown side, this c turns out to be how much? 13 units. Piece of cake. Likewise, in this example too, we've been given B3 and C5. We need to find out A. So I have already done this one. So use the Pythagorean theorem, a squared plus b squared equal to c squared. You just plug it in and you got your unknown side, a equals to 4. And also in example 3, in this case, B is an unknown side. So we again applied this Pythagorean theorem and we figured out B equals to square root of 51 by just following the basic steps. Again, thanks for watching. Bye.